Now, this is our project chapter. You can see that we have rules, controllers, model. Look at package file here. These are the modules that we need to install. We press Mongoose for debugger. We set up a web server here. First, we import Express for debugger course. Visualize an Express application. Set origin for course. Use for debugger. Initialize Mongoose connection. Import app rules and app model here. Let's continue to database model. Here, first we import configuration from a ppconfig file. Here, this is the URL that we're gonna use for MongoDB connection. We use native robots for our application. We also import Mongoose model here. The tutorial model has title, description, and public field. The front-end application will need ID field instead of default ID, so we have to authorize to JSON method. Next, we're gonna look at the rules where we determine how the server responds for HTTP requests. At first, we create a router object, then use import, get, put, delete methods, and refresh. It points to function of the controller here. And now, let's look at the controller. The controller import model, use tutorial model, and here you can see that we use self methods. Try by a condition. File by ID. Update with file by ID and update. File by ID and remove for deleting object. Delete many and file with public field equal to. Okay, now we're gonna run the application with Node.js. This is our Angular project here. Let's look at package file. We use Angular 8. Now, our app model, which imports browser model, app browsing model, form model, and HTTPClient model. App components has a navbar that contains router links to other child components. We also have a router outlet here. Let's continue app routing model here. We define rules and path for each component here. And now in tutorial service, we import HTTPClient and use get, post, put, delete methods for CRUD operation. App tutorial has the form with title and description. Button is for saving tutorial. We import tutorial service here and use create method. Let's continue to tutorial list component. We also import tutorial service. Then use its getOn methods. Delete on and file by title. There is also a link to tutorial detail. Continue to tutorial detail component. It gets the parameter here for ID. Then we use tutorial service methods such as getById for tutorial detail, update by ID, and delete by ID. Now we run this Angular application with the box here. Okay, done.